In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2015 through 2016 Chevrolet Trax. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Your first step is to push the button and release the key. Next, you'll just want to use your thumb to pop the back side of the key fob open. Pushing down on the battery, you'll want to use the screwdriver to help pry the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, you can snap the back of the key fob back on, close the key, and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.